It's like for 30 minutes. Yeah, 30, 20 minutes. I'm not seeing any squirrel of late. They may be migrated to a next area. Beautiful day again. Beautiful, 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 beautiful sunny day. It's over 70 degrees. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful day. Woo. Guys are not seeing the squirrel. They may be gone somewhere else. I'm not seeing them at all. What they doing there, so? What am I do out here so with goat? Lord have mercy. Guys, different adventure. You have to make a U-turn. It's a goat. Goats. Goat kids. Ah. Oh, this is the yoga with goats. Yoga. So you can do what the goat eat. Jesus. Goat. Shireen, happy new month, Annie. I was not on yesterday, sorry about that. Guy, but Shireen, come, may I show you a goat? Goat. Goat. It's goat. What these goats are used for, the yoga?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey. Hey. So it's a yoga, goat yoga.
What? This one was too friendly. Let's get one. Yeah, you guys lifting one?
I know they might enjoy the grass. Them enjoying the grass, eating the grass. Wow. This is awesome. Look at the kid. What is he doing? Wow. So what, when you, the goats?
It's a big one.
No, how much work what they have in a goat yoga?
I don't think I've ever like touched
Meaning
full
you
grown
do the
goat.
yoga with the goat. I don't know how that works.
This is a very interesting
I don't know how that works.
Yeah,
But
not the full grown goat.
there are a lot of goats here. See a whole lot of them over there, so not a good farm. They're eating a pasta all. I know them eating. Them eating the nicely manicured lawn grass. Come here. Them all eating. He's getting rubbed down.
Honestly, it looks good. What? Like it looks like it's yummy. Oh my god, they're like funny.
Yes, they are, because I'm using them to do the yoga thing. So the yoga mats, them over there. Look at that pretty one. Spotty. It's pretty one. Pretty? Every day is a different thing. You never know what's happening out here on these lawns. So excited. The children them come up with various things. Yeah. So we're watching the goats eat. Look at the kitty. Look at the little kitty. He's so fat. They're well taken care of. These goats are well fed. Look at them. Where am I going now? I'm at work. I'm just walking. Hi, I'm just walking the campus and book up on them goats here where them I use to yoga. It's the mats them right there. And them just use these goats. What? I feel kid this. Watch out. I feel two kid this. What a thing.
Little babies. Oh my god, wow.
It-
Oh. Poor mom.
This is so funny. I've never seen goats like this in Kingston, and I'm here in the USA with goats all over.
Yeah.
Not even in St. Thomas. Watch him on the mat.
He's coming back.
Massa. And then these goats are cute. They're pretty. It's a goat day. It's a goat day. No, it's so nice to stay and look at these goats. I guess it's a form of exercise, yes, to use them.
So just watch where you sit. If you see little black, brown things, you might not want to sit there.
What, black or brown things?
We're gonna aim this way.
Ah, boy.
Want you guys to back.
I'm gonna show you. They're going to do the yoga now, guys. I'm gonna go to the back. I don't want to show anybody face. Pete, they're going to do the yoga soon. Did you hear what she said?
So, yeah, you can put yourself right there. Hi, my name is Rona. We're going to be doing very modified yoga. I know that you guys are here for that.
Hope you're hearing. Modify yoga. Yoga.
This is going to be very modified.
Happy New Month.
We're going to start standing.
Going to do yoga now.
Welcome to take off your shoes and socks if you want. So you have to. The worst that could happen to you is you have to take a shower. That's about it. Okay? So we start with hands on your heart.
Hands on your heart. Stop.
Have anything that you want? Can you stick it under your mat?
Guys, you can go ahead and do the yoga. Hands on your heart. The goats are ready. Goat yoga.
Ariel's going to go around and bring the goats to you, so don't worry if they're not at you now. She's going to walk around and do that. So, apart, your hips, your feet are hip width apart. We're taking some deep breaths.
Watch it go now. Them a goat here. All over.
So, I'm going to say inhale, on the exhale, I'm going to do a slight bow and say namaste. Namaste means from my heart to yours. Translation. So inhale, namaste. So we're going to start with something energized. So it's called, it's a modified breath of joy, if anybody knows what that is.
Guys, you're hearing? Judine, I'm not here. Rodine, you're hearing? Shireen, you're hearing? See, exercise going. Yoga.
Why, inhale up, and exhale, you're going to come down through the neck. So if you need to change distance between your feet, you do that. Inhale up, exhale open.
They're going to use them in these yoga sessions. Them.
Do it at your own rate. You can go faster or slower.
Okay.
Feels good for you. If you're feeling tired, lethargic, you can go faster. If you're feeling hyped up, you can go slower. And it will help regulate where you are.
Is she like a kid now by himself?
Set. And then you back.
I come around on the bunch of goat then there. Let me go around here, so guys. Because it's so hot this side. The sun hot this, so see it? This is
So
not
from
pink. This is
here,
a goat.
for balance, we're just going to rock back and forth on our feet. Best we can. I know you guys have final senses, right? So we're going to do some stuff that's going to, some stuff that you can do after today that can actually help you relax the final. Okay. Come back to center. So what you're going to do is you're going to ground your left foot in. You can imagine your left foot is a tree. Okay. Or roots of a tree. You're going to bring your left foot in the ground. You're going to pick up your right foot and you're just going to rotate your right ankle. And if you're off balance and you have to balance, that helps you get back up. And bring your right foot down.
I'm a phone.
Put your right foot down. You're allowed to reach out and
Hey, what is
bring your right
The goat went into the midst of everything.
and bring that down. Okay, you're going to put your hands on your hips. And you're all going to go to your right. I'm going to mirror you. You're just going to keep your hips straight. You're going to rotate your torso to the right. And then rotate your torso to the left. And go back and forth.
Hello. Hello, goatie. Hello. Got that the pretty little kid.
Back to center.
Yeah.
I'm always sitting by
Open up your legs. Hands on your hips. And you're going to just do some hip rolls. So your legs aren't
We're at the yoga class.
Look at any tension.
Yes, there is goat yoga.
And then go the other way.
Goat yoga.
Get the shape of their heads.
Come back to center. You're going to bring your feet back together, release your hands. So you're going to go to your right. You're just going to bring your right arm down, your left arm up. I'm sorry, I'll mirror you. You're going to your right. You just go back and forth. Stretching up the side, obviously. It also helps detoxify the organs in your body. Do one more set. And come back to center. Okay, so from here, you're going to put your fingers together. This is called spider fingers. This is really good for being on your phone and on the computer. Just going to press and release like a spider walking up a wall.
You look so kind.
One more set. Take it out. You're going to take your right hand, you're going to put it on your left wrist. So it's going to look like this. And you're going to squeeze and release as you go from your wrist to your elbow. One time. So this strengthens your right hand and actually
Ooh,
helps your
got
left
a tree in
hand
there.
not get like carpal tunnel or something. You get back to your wrist.
Train is
You're
coming.
gonna push your wrist down a little bit and stretch up your left arm, almost like you're trying to get your left hand into a glove. Good. And release. Yes. Same thing on the other side. Take your left hand, put it on your right wrist. You're going to squeeze and release from your wrist to your elbow.
Guys, I can't talk much because it's a session going on.
And get back to your wrist. You're going to push your wrist down, squeeze your right hand up like you're trying to get to love. These are really good stretches in between working on your computer for a long time. And you can shake it out. So from
Exercising.
here, you're going to take your right hand, put it over your left ear, and stretch your head over to the right, keeping your head in a straight line.
How we doing,
So
brother?
you're stretching that left side of your neck. And now you're going to use your hand, you're going to turn your head so you're looking down at the ground at an angle. So we're stretching the groups of muscles in your neck. And now you're going to turn your head so you're looking up diagonal. Your clock, you guys would be at 1 o'clock. It depends on what side of the clock. And then you're going to bring your head back to center and pull back over. Very gently.
So cute.
feel like goats are literally
And now take your hand and push your head up.
They're actually
just
so
like
chill.
And notice if one side of your neck feels different than the other. Okay, so now we do the opposite side. You're going to your left. Yeah. So you're gonna take. I reversed myself. You're going this way. Opposite hand. Over. You're gonna turn your head down. And then
Oh, yeah.
up.
not.
And then back over to the side.
I'm looking.
This way you're balanced. Your neck should be balanced. Right? I got both sides. Right? Okay. Turn your head back together. And shake it out.
Shake it out, shake it out.
So we're going to do a balancing pose. So you're going to just do opposite knees to wrist. So this helps balance the hemispheres of your brain. One more set and come back to center. You're going to have time at the end to play with up, so you'll have your time. Okay, feet in the ground. We're going to do a pose called mountain pose, and this is really good if you feel like things are out of control and swirling around you. Mountain pose is a good way to settle yourself. So your roots are in the ground, and I want you to close your eyes and imagine that you're a mountain. So mountains don't move. They don't move in the wind. They don't move in the weather. They stay really stable. So imagine that you're really stable. Imagine that if a goat came around you and knocked into you, you would not fall over.
Oh, okay.
So now from there, you can open your eyes. You can bring your arms slowly, bring your arms up to get to heart level. And then stretch your arms out. You're reaching both sides of your feet.
This is cool.
All the way up. So you come
I should have it comfy, come do the yoga.
together, thumbs across.
Yeah.
Touching, and then your hands go drop. So when you're in
Let it
trouble
go
pose,
it all
pay
over.
attention to bringing your shoulders down. You're not doing this, but you're really bring it down like this.
Hey, hey,
And this way you can imagine
Hey.
that you have a goat wrapped around your
Hey.
shoulders, and they're weighing your shoulders down.
hey.
You have a goat at your feet, keeping your feet down. Goat at
It's
your
a college. It's a college, Shireen.
Okay, so from here we're going to go into half moon. You're going to stretch up and over to your right. And this
Touch them, then
encourages
come greet me.
flexibility. So you're going to bring your arms up and over.
They came to greet me. Hey, goatie. Hi, goat.
2 more seconds.
Hi, goatie, goatie. Ooh, that one here look like he's pregnant.
Exhale.
In kid. Hey. They are numbered.
Up. Open up your arms slowly. You get to heart level. When you're at heart level, you're going to open up your legs. So you're kind of going to reach. And you're going to bend your knees and bend your arms. This is called goddess. It helps for, well, it's goddess. Try to make it gender neutral, but it's not. Sorry. So this also helps develop power and strength. 2 more seconds. Now push your feet into the ground.
Guys, like up the live.
Stretch your arms up.
This is Real deal.
And this is called
You're
Five
getting.
Pointed Star. And here you can imagine that you're connected into whatever you want to connect with, so that you get a lot of inspiration. And you just feel connected. Slowly bring your arms down. And then just breathe and just notice how you feel in your body.
Others.
Come back to center, stretch it out. We're going to go back onto the ground, but do anything that you need to do before we go down if your body's saying, I need to tweak this, I need to tweak that. And then when you're ready,
Stop it.
you can come sit on the ground.
Stop it, goats. They're on the ground now.
You're going to take your knees, hug them into your chest, and see if you cannot roll back. Not roll back.
Goat otada.
Actually, you're going to bring your feet out to the front. And you're going to bring your arms behind you and just straighten up so that you have a slight curve in your lower back and your shoulders are down.
What is he doing?
So
Scratching.
you can put your hands
I didn't know goats scratch.
right between your thigh and your hip. See that part? We're going to bend forward, but that's where the bend comes from. So it's not a lower back bend. We're bending that way. What I want you to do is, now that you know how you're bending, you can just put your hands on your legs. First, bend forward. You're going to keep your neck, your head in alignment with your back. So your head's not going down. Imagine there's a straight line, so your back's in a straight line. And then when you've gotten as far as you can go, then you're going to bring your hands out in front. You're just going to either grab your knees, your ankles, your feet, your sneakers, whatever you can, and see if you can get a little bit of traction. And then and breathe.
Okay, I didn't even know that.
Now tuck your core in. That's the area below your belly button. Tuck it in, and then stretch up. Stretch up.
Does not want attention. I don't know if it's me or it's just the environment, but that one does not want to be touched.
Into easy pose. There's one more pose. So we're going to do a spinal twist. Now, you're always going to yoga. You're always going to your right first. So what you can do is, I'm going to do this right. Okay. You're going to bring your left hand. I'm going to go opposite way.
They're migrating.
You're opening your right hand behind you. One on the side. And you're going to twist over to your right.
So they're getting the goats now.
Then you take your left hand, put it on the outside of your right knee. Good, you're all going opposite. And then that creates a spinal twist. Say spinal twist.
Ooh, this one. This one decided to
And then
break down the makeshift.
Trying to scratch himself.
You like the white one?
bring
I
your
went
left
there.
hand behind you.
Where did the white one go? Oh, he's up there.
So you're all going that way. Right hand on the outside of your left
The
leg.
white one gone up there,
Your
so.
left.
But they're into everything.
And now come back to center. They know Shavasana is coming. They're ready for Shavasana. So you're coming back to center. So Shavasana means relaxation pose. So typically you do it laying down, but no one has yet laid down, so we're going to do it sitting up.
Oh, that's the name of the yoga part when they use the goat, Shibashtan.
And you can imagine that you have a goat on your lap. And imagine that you have a goat snuggling with
They migrated.
Just imagine yourself, if you're not already feeling peaceful and calm, in a situation where you feel very peaceful and calm. Now, if you're ready, you can open up your eyes and put on your
And that's it. And that's it. And that's it. And that's it. It's done. It's done. I want picture with go too. So it's done, guys. The class is done. I stayed there for the entire session of yoga. Entire session of the yoga with the goats. Touch them. Whew. And if we can't get up, sorry guys. Yeah, I love this session. I just did a video. Sorry, I'm back now. I'm back now. I did a video of the goats. Good session. I didn't get to walk, but yeah, I enjoyed this session. Yeah, the grass is nice, and the goats are having fun eating the grass. They are having fun eating the grass, and the lawn, the place is nicely manicured. Yeah, look at those trees, guys, nice and green on that over there. So nice and green. See a puppy there? See a puppy there? Not even go near puppy, cause puppy. I don't know why puppy coming into my videos all of a sudden these days. Watch him. Watch the puppy. Oh, you're a goat ball. May, and it's May. Happy new month, guy. Welcome to May. I wish that this month will be a better month for everyone. Yeah. I wish it to be a better month. The place is so green. Look at the trees. They're so green and pretty. So green. So green and pretty. Oh, is your Manchurian? Amia Ban? Oh, okay. Birthday coming up then. Okay. Oops. Ooh, we nearly get lit down. Yeah, but yes, it's a beautiful day. So see there, guys. In my lunch hour, I go and relax and get a yoga session, even though I didn't participate, but it's just relaxing. And with the goats, it's a different, the 7th. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a different environment. That means you rule under the same sign with my mom. My mom is the 23rd of April. So relaxing in this lunch break here. So that's the motivation for today. Do some exercise. Do some yoga if you are not the walking and running person. I'm a Taurus. I don't know where my mother be. Okay. If you are not that type of person, do some yoga. If you are the walking type, do some exercise. Walking, like how I walk out for 10. Yes, happy birthday when it comes, Shereen, although we'll see you. Although I do some walking in the lunchtime. Yeah, that's the motivation. Do something. See it? In the middle of the day, we're exercising. Yes, with goats. So you can do it too. Yeah. And nice weather to walk up on those streets in Jamaica. Nice weather. Guys, it's hot, you see? Sun hot. Sun hot out here today. Yeah. Relax your mind, your body, and your soul and go back to work. Just do something. Or if it's after work you're doing it, just whatever it is, just do it. I didn't get to walk, but at least that session was motivating. And we get to see the goats. A long time I don't see one goat like that. And look how close the goat come to us. Right there. Even somebody asked me if I was on a farm. No farm. Right here. The goats come to us. Yes. Oh yes, I realized my daughter sent me one picture at Inglewood. I washed away last night. The place one me never see water so yet on road. But yesterday we get thunderstorm in the evening, yeah. It was bad. A lot of rain and then it dry up on today again. I'm not so sure if it's continuing. But listen, we're going into the hurricane season soon. That's in the Caribbean, parts of USA, maybe Florida. Yeah, I never like hurricane season. Never. Never. Always want that section, and it's the best weather part for, But whenever it's raining, it's terrible when it's a hurricane is out. So thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good day, rest of the day. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and comment. Share my live, Shireen and Judine. Rudine, please share this live. Share. Okay? Like. Thank you so much, and comment. Alright, thank you so much. And whoosh, I'm out of here. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.